Hello, folks. Richard Fontaine here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Now be the first to host live video chats, meetings, conferences, live classes, online training, webinars, podcasts, using DFY webinar content, live chat, real-time messaging, and file sharing, pre-recorded video streaming, all this and more for a one-time low fee. Welcome to WebinarX. And as the name itself suggests, you pay only and enjoy lifetime access to this advanced webinar hosting platform. Say goodbye to limited subscription platforms, getting fleeced by platforms for every webinar, meeting, or conference you host, tech issues making it difficult for your audience to join or stay connected through the webinars. WebinarX will help you skyrocket profits at the lowest one-time cost. In just 3 steps, you'll start saving and making huge amounts of profits. Step 1, get access to the newest upgrade to video conferencing at the lowest one-time cost ever. Step 2, in just 1 click, create your unique link for a webinar, live or pre-recorded, video meeting, or live conference. Step 3, engage and convert your audience into paying customers. WebinarX is perfect for you if you own a business, service, or are a marketer. You want to survive in this new age digital world. You'd like to leverage the awesome power of live video chats, meetings, conferences, live classes, online training, webinars, and podcasts. You're looking to retain your profits and avoid paying a hefty monthly fee. You don't want to chase away your audience with your mic not syncing properly or sharing a recording that has a terrible audio output. You'd like to earn more by saving more. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on this page hits 0. So hurry. Plus, your webinars, meetings, and chats are encrypted, ensuring no one other than the recipient can ever access them. Even we ourselves. Take action now. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to what's fast becoming the most preferred webinar hosting platform for business owners and marketers around the world. Welcome to WebinarX.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.